Hey there, welcome back. I'm so happy you're with me today. This is a fun project. It's gonna be of a kitten. So a little kitty cat. Now this one's for Christmas time, so we're gonna put a little Santa's hat on top and maybe a little scarf and some green flowers on him. Grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pen, some markers, and let's get started. We're gonna do this U shape right here in the middle of the page, just like this. Okay, and then the next thing we'll do is we'll create Santa's hat, and we'll do this little round bubbly shape over here on the left, and then we'll come over to the right and we're going to leave a little bit of a gap over here. And the reason we're doing that is because we're going to draw an ear on the right side. So we're going to come up and then we're going to come down, and then we'll extend the head and continue that line like this, and then we'll come up and meet in the corner. Okay, and then you can put another line right here if you like. And then when you come back up here, we're going to come up and we're going to meet back right about here. So we'll just draw these soft shapes across. Now we can draw the top of our hat. So we're going to come out from this corner here. We're going to go over to the left. Okay, and then let's stop and start right over here so we know where to meet up. So we're going to come up from here. And then this is going to go at an angle like that. And then we'll meet back down like this. And then from right here we can go, and we want to try to go towards wherever your corner is that makes that bend. So you're going to come from here and you're going to kind of go in that direction. And I'm just going to make another crease like this. Okay. Now I'm going to put in the eyes of my cat. So let's draw a nice big circle on the left. And we'll draw another one on the right, just like that. Then we can put these two little highlights that are slightly at an angle. So we'll put these elliptical shapes. And then just below the two eyes in the center, come down and draw this little triangular shape for the nose. And then we're going to come down and hook to the right, and then go down to the right and hook to the left. Okay, the next thing we'll do is we'll draw some scarf. So we're going to start right about here. We make this little round shape, and we'll come all the way over to this side and we'll make a round shape over here. And then we'll just go and follow the bottom of our cat's head, just like this. Okay, so we have our scarf here. Now let's go back up to the head. Now on either side of the scarf, we want to come up and in a little bit, and then we'll come down like that. So we want to put almost like a little break in the cat's head shape. So we're going to come up a little, down, and then continue that over, just like that. Because then from here, we can just add a couple little whiskers, and we'll do a couple on that side. And if you want, you could put a couple little dots over here where their mouth is. And why not throw a little eyebrow shape right above those eyes. Okay, the next step, from our scarf shape right here, we're going to go down from this corner. We're going to go down to the left, and we're going to come down and hook over to the right. Okay, then we're going to draw halfway. We'll do a curve like this. Now we're going to have two legs, so we're going to draw a line right here about in the center of our head. You can offset it a little bit over to the right if you like. But I will draw a line right about here. We're going to come down, so it's going to be on the left side of our center line. And then I'm going to come down here, and I want this paw to go past the hind leg right here. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes like this, and then this is going to round like that. Okay, so it's going to be the paw, and then this paw right here will come up at a slight angle. And then we'll do a curve like this, and then we'll do another curve like that. And then for the hind leg, we will draw a curve that starts up here, comes up, and then it comes down a little bit. And then you'll see a little paw shape right there. Okay, and then this is going to come up. Alright, let's go over to the right side, and we're going to do a line on the right side of this center. So we're going to come like this, and now we're going to come in and we're going to hit that other paw just like that. It's okay if you intersect it. Then this one here, we can round this, and then right here we'll round this up like that. Okay, and then we can come from here and come up at an angle like this. And then I'll draw a couple more little paw shapes like that, some toe shapes like this. Okay. And then I'm going to see the body right through here. We're going to come up like that. So that's going to be like our belly shape. Now the scarf in the middle, we're going to draw right from that center. I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then this is going to kind of hook up over to the right and then come up like this. Okay, now in my scarf I'm going to draw a couple like stripe shapes. So that's going to be one, and then I'll draw another, and I'll draw another. And then down here we can draw a couple more curves like that. And then we're going to put a little circle right about here in between the scarf and the scarf piece that hangs down. We'll do a little circular shape right here, and from that we're going to have, let's make sure that that gets really nice and close. I think I made it too far away. Let's get a little closer. It's almost like touching the scarf like that. And then we'll put some green like flower type shapes right here, and then we'll come off like this, and then we'll do another one off to this side here like this, just like that. Okay, and then the last thing is let's put in this tail. So starting just behind over here above that lower leg, the hind leg, we're going to come and curve this to the left, and then we're going to come up, and then if you want a rounded tail you can round that, or I'm just going to have a little bit of a split in my tail like this. It's going to be wider up here, and then it's going to come and get narrower at the base, and we will have a little bit of a gap down here. Okay, and then I'm going to follow the edge of, the end of my tail that has these little points, and I'll just do a couple extra little points like that. And now I'm going to use an ink pen and just outline my cat and make any subtle corrections that you want to do. Okay, you can grab an eraser and gently erase those pencil lines and clean up your drawing for preparation to color this in. Okay, so grab yourself some markers and let's start coloring in our cat. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun drawing this Christmas kitten with me. I really had tons of fun, and I hope yours turned out really cool too. Click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday, and I want to see you at the next one. Until then, I'll see you around. Bye-bye.